Not even the thunderstorms can get at us. There's some heat coming off that. Beautiful. Beautiful. I just love summer. Over now for now.